Get y'all this cold start. You know. That boy looking nice. Except for the cat prints, like, bro. Always. But let's get y'all this cold start. I was gonna put these on since these are like my burners, but I cannot find my jack stand. Like, well, you know what I mean? Can't find it, so you know, we on these. But this shit is so loud. Alright, it's on the road, getting over there. Hold on, had to clean that off a little bit. Let's put this boy in sport. About to get y'all that first pull in a minute. Oh, wow. They are getting right in front of me. You know, this is a 0.5, so he much closer than what it looks like. Trying to get y'all that first pull. Let the window down a little bit so we can hear it more. Do another pull right here. Literally hate this freeway. But I'll catch y'all up when I'm where I'm supposed to be at, you know what I'm saying? You already know we about to teach them how to slide for real. Know how it's getting. Cool little duo. He finna be on the camera while I be sliding this, you know how I get. So yeah. So I'm gonna put like 20. And then that's gonna be wasted on sliding and then freaking going back home. Alright, now I got the boy with the Jeep. Shit looking nice. Even though in this Michigan weather we having. We chilling for real. Yup. You're gonna want to turn off that traction. Put that drive, switch it over to sport. And then, well, first, hold on. Let's get some fucking room. That's first. Sport. Put in manual. You go first. Kind of want to hold on the brake and the acceleration. Yes, sir. That was easy. Shoot, that's all to it.
Man, when we get a little bit outside, then we can dip before this truck come.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Well,
I got you.
let's get some behind stuff.
Yes, sir. That nigga silly. Yes, sir. Oh, that nigga still going. That nigga still going. That nigga still going. That bitch tough. That nigga having fun in that bitch. Spin that bitch back this way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fly by. Fly by.
Fucking year.
Yes, sir.
Year, man.
Boy going crazy.
Oh, shit. Oh, they still in? Them bitches get beat, though.
You still got some
These the
weak.
winter tires.
Look.
You know how it's getting. Rookie of the fucking year, bro.
I'm shaking out here. It's cold.
Hey, you hear it? Yeah, you see?
Man, I did see that shit.
Bro,
Look, I took some pics. That bitch dashing.
Man. Hold on. Let's get up out of here.
Huh.
Boy, that shit was fun, I ain't gonna lie. But y'all see how I get. Look, y'all wanna know where the fuck I even got any type of like skill from? Forza Horizon. Bro, I cannot make this shit up. Forza Horizon gave me that condition to even know how to do anything. So, hey, I was definitely one of them niggas with the gaming wheel. We didn't change locations. Yeah, right there. Man, that shit make you want to go back.
Yeah, that shit was.
You boys looking nice though.